Purnamrita Swadanam, at least that would be the ideal we hope to achieve, that every step is a taste of nectar. Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam, that we relish complete nectar at every step, and we definitely will. Lord Chaitanya is promising that in the first benefit. There's 7 benefits of chanting Hare Krishna. All 7 are mentioned in the first prayer. One is that your every step will be a step of joy. You're dancing in joy. Pratipadam Purna Amrita Swadanam. Imagine it's like licking ice cream every day wherever you go. Oh, I'm so happy. So it's a certain kind of continuous joy, endless high. Stay high forever. Prabhupada, the devotees wrote some pamphlet in 66. Stay high forever. So this is what Lord Chaitanya is saying. You get clean, Cheto Darpana Marjanam, Bhavamha. You clean your mind and put out the fire of material existence. There's some do's and don'ts here. And do this, and what will you get? And then he says all these things. Param Vijayate. And so we say Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So we're walking step by step to the spiritual realm of Vrindavan and to attain love. But when special times come like Kartik or Adhikamas, that's like walking and someone picks you up on an escalator and takes you gives you a ride, free ride of 100 kilometers. So that's why the devotees, you see the Braj Mandal is packed with devotees because these are all the blessings of Krishna. This is a special month. There's nothing to do, so don't do nothing. There's nothing to do materially. You can't accumulate any brownie points. You can't collect any good points or score a few things in this month because you can't worship Ganapati, you can't worship Durga, you can't do anything because you won't get any benefits. But if you worship Purushottam Sri Krishna, the Paradevata, then you'll get prema and so many blessings and get thrown fast forward on the path of bhakti. So nothing, no pain, no gain. So I make it very nice. My Purushottam month comes in the hottest time of the year. So when we come here, you come to Vrindavan in Purushottam month, you bring all the seeds of your bad karma. Bring all the seeds of your bad karma and throw it in the frying pan of Braj Mandal. Throw it in the frying pan of Braj Mandal in this month, and I will roast them all because I'm a master cook. I'm Purushottam. I'm the Uttam. Purush means man or person. I'm the best cook. I know many people cooking, but not like Krishna. So they will cook all the grains that ordinarily would fructify in our hearts, the kutam and bijam. They would fructify as prarabdha and aparabdha and bind us in the material world, life after life. The prarabdha is binding us now and attacking us as kleshas, nadi-atmik, and nadi-bhotika, nadi-daivaka. And right behind it, when that finishes and retires the prarabdha, then the aparabdha says, okay, my turn. And then they take another birth. So all those seeds, and kutam is the stockpile of the seeds, and then the bijam. It's explained like this in Madhurya Kadambini and Bhakti Sandarbha, and a little bit in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also, and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu by Vishwanath, all these details of karma and whatnot, different stages. Very, probably most clearly told with commentaries in the Madhurya Kadambini, I think so. At any rate, that's why it's hot and it's dry. Because we're dripping with desire. We're dripping with desire, and all those desires will become evaporated and roasted. All those seeds will become roasted. You walk in the Govardhan Parikrama Marg and your feet burn, even at 10 o'clock at night. We went the other night, half one day and half the next, with some friends. It's hot. It's really hot. So that heat of the Purushottam will take away the fire of lust and the fire of greed and envy. Isn't it? This is what we're counting. This is why people come to Las Vegas with hopes. They have $1,000 and $10,000 in their pocket, and they go to Las Vegas to gamble and win a lot of money. That's their hope, or maybe just to play with their money, lose it all. They don't care. But so it's a big gamble. We come here with our hope that we'll become purified and get the mercy of Krishna, and we will, definitely.